Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to activate your Medibank OSHC membership online. Follow these easy instructions to ensure you have your health insurance set up correctly for your stay in Australia. Step 1. Visit the Medibank website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Medibank website. You can do this by typing Medibank into the search bar and selecting the official website from the search results. Step 2. Find the OSHC section. Once you're on the Medibank homepage, look for the Overseas Student Health Cover (OSHC) section. This is usually found under the Health Insurance tab or in a dedicated OSHC menu. Click on it to access the OSHC-related information. Step 3. Click on Activate Membership. In the OSHC section, find the option that says Activate Membership. Click on it to start the activation process. This will take you to the membership activation page. Step 4. Enter your details. You will be prompted to fill in several fields. Provide your personal details, including your membership number, date of birth, and any other required information. Make sure that all details entered are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Review and confirm. After entering your details, double-check everything to ensure it is correct. Once you're satisfied with the information you provided, click on the Submit button. A confirmation message will appear on the screen indicating that your application is being processed. Step 6. Check your email. Shortly after submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation from Medibank. This email will confirm that your OSHC membership has been activated successfully. Keep this email for your records. Step 7. Download your membership card. Once your membership is activated, you can download your digital membership card from the Medibank website. This card will be necessary for accessing healthcare services while you're in Australia. Step 8. Log in to your Medibank account. If you haven't done so already, consider creating an account on the Medibank website. This will allow you to manage your membership, make claims, and access other services conveniently. That's it. You have successfully activated your Medibank OSHC membership online. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to the Medibank customer service team for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and information. Thank you for watching.